How to fix WhatsApp image download problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp image download problems on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here you will find WhatsApp. Just type WhatsApp and you will find it, then click on it. And now just here you will find this one, storage, and then click here clear cache, and then go back, and here just click permissions, and then go to storage, and then click deny. You will find it here, just click allow, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.